Hey guys, welcome back. Episode 22. Episode 22. As of now, episode 20 is up, finishing the body work, and then episode 21 I have scheduled to post later this week. I think today's the 25th, something like that. But so this video I'll schedule maybe a week after the 21st video, which is the carpet, new carpet all inside, Dynamat, sorry about the glare, Dynamat, new carpet, steering columns painted, seat brackets are painted, so look out for that video. Go watch it if you haven't already, because it's gonna be out by now. But so this video, I want to address some seat things. Obviously I have to finish dyeing that because I had the backs on when I dyed it, so there's some missed spots. But my main concern is, as you can see, this is the driver's side, dips in because it's pretty bad under here. The whatever this cloth is called, I forgot the name of it. I gotta go buy some today. That's all torn up over here, and then the seat foam's just completely disintegrated, so it's just falling straight through. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to like Joann Fabrics or something and hopefully be able to get this. I don't know if I can get this insulation. I'm gonna have to look, hopefully, and then some new sea foam, because it's just all falling straight through, all in the carpet. And now I just replaced the carpet, so I don't want that to happen, because I don't want to have to vacuum it every week. And also it's just kind of getting annoying with that little dip there. So yeah, we're gonna see what we can do. First thing, I'm gonna cut off and take off this seat cover so I can get like the thickness of the foam, and then I'm gonna go out and buy this stuff. So just gonna go around, start cutting all these hog rings, and get to it. All right, so I'm actually gonna try and do something so I can avoid taking off the whole front row, just to see if it's easier. I got the side and the back off. There's still two like stoppers I have to unscrew on the back side, but I'm gonna see if I can just fold it all the way off the front. But I didn't even know this, but there's these little plates that had a hog ring down here. This one, AMP, and then a number. This one's like chopped up. I tried to flatten it out, but it's still missing like half. It says patent pending. There's some codes and stuff on it. Wish the whole thing was there, but it's pretty cool. So I'll be keeping these. But yeah, so I'm gonna take the stoppers off on the other side and then see if I can fold the whole thing over, get a better look at it. Oh yeah, look at this. This is definitely in need of replacement. This was just all falling through that hole. Just horrible. So yeah, I'm gonna vacuum up like all this stuff, and I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to get this foam, because it is like does like wrap around and stuff. I'm obviously gonna try my best, but it's gonna be pretty difficult. I've never done this before, so it's a learning experience for sure. Obviously I could have just bought a kit or something, but I don't really want to do a universal one, which I guess me doing it myself is kind of just a universal one. But I don't know, I guess I just kind of feel better about it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to wrap it all around the front and everything. We'll see. But I'm going to go to the store, get some measurements maybe, and then we'll go to the store and get what we need. Alright, so I got some stuff. Got some burlap. I got this in black. they had a bunch of different colors, so I just went with black. And then this is new foam and U foam. So I'm gonna lay this down on top of the burlap to replace like the cotton that they had. And then 2-inch thick foam. So just gonna pull this off and then start with that stuff, I guess. Everything pulled off. This is, yeah, so I got the steel running through this. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that yet because I don't have that. I think that's why people put the muslin there, to put under this instead of having the steel run through it. I don't know. I'm just gonna clean all this up and then start putting it back together though. Alright, got the burlap down, double layered, and then now the new foam. I'm gonna cut it to length and then we'll get to the actual foam part. Alright, foam's cut.
No.
Got a little bit of angle on the front so that way it fits. But I'm gonna put it on and try and squeeze this over. Got everything in. It was a real pain to get it over. I think probably because I had to cut the seafoam. I kept having to trim it. Definitely had to go back a little bit far. I wasn't able to put these the stops that they had right here. I wasn't able to get these back in because now the foam's there. But yeah, I'm gonna take it for a drive and we'll see how it is. Definitely just sitting on it, sitting here, a lot more comfortable. So we'll see after we take it for a drive, and hopefully it's better, especially with the Dynamat new carpet and stuff. So we'll see. All right, take it for a drive. So far, so much more comfortable. It's not basically just straight springs, like the foam's actually doing what it's supposed to, contrary to what it was. So much better. If you notice, I didn't do the backs. One, they were out of foam at the store I went to, and I didn't want to drive all the way around. And also, there's not really like a bad feeling in the back. I'm sure it's the same, all dry rotted and stuff, but there's no feeling difference. So as of now, I'm just gonna leave it. That was just, it felt horrible. It was leaving stuff all over the carpet, so had to get that redone. But you know, so far so much better. Already got my carpet dirty, but also Dynamat, so much better. There's less drone. I can actually hear my radio a little bit better. Less vibration. Definitely feels a little bit cooler in the cab also. So definitely an improvement. Super glad I got that stuff done on the interior. Nice shot of the truck. But yeah, so thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and go follow the Instagram page down in the description. Stay tuned for more videos. Like I said, if you haven't watched already, I have the carpet video up, I have bodywork video up. Yeah, so stay tuned for more, and please put on post notifications if you're interested in keeping up to date. But yeah, thanks for watching.